Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant voice chat not working. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the search menu from the bottom of your screen and search for microphone privacy. Select the first result that comes up and your Windows settings will open up. Now check if the first toggle is turned on. If it isn't, turn it on and scroll down a little bit. Locate Valorant in the list below and make sure microphone is enabled. Close settings, again go to the search bar and search for sound settings. In the settings app, scroll down, click on microphone array and make sure that the microphone volume is turned to 100% because if it is low, others might not be able to hear you. Go back one step, go to the troubleshoot tab and troubleshoot for input devices. It might help identify the error that is causing problems for you. Now scroll down, click on More Sound Settings, and a pop-up will be displayed. In the settings, go to the recording tab, and if I enable my microphone, you can see that a level is showing up. It shows you that the microphone is working fine. But if it isn't showing up, go to the properties of your microphone and make sure that boost and array are at 100%. Go to the Advanced tab and make sure that both of these checkboxes are disabled. Then go back to the General tab and see if the microphone is enabled. If it isn't, enable it and restart your PC. And that's how you can fix Valorant voice chat not working. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.